The SilverStone Lucid Series LD01 offers a unique and elegant solution for DIY PC builders seeking a customizable and visually stunning case. With its clean design and emphasis on showcasing components, it's a perfect blank canvas for anyone looking to build a system with style. This Micro-ATX chassis features 3 tempered glass panels that allow you to display your hardware from all angles. Though there's a twist. Unlike traditional designs, the motherboard is visible through the right side panel, which sets it apart from many other cases on the market. This added visual twist is ideal for those who want to put their custom build front and center. While the Lucid LD01 offers a solid and sturdy steel core, the 3 glass panels do add weight to the overall structure. The glass is well done, with smooth and slick edges, making it feel premium. However, the weight may be something to consider if you plan to move your system often. Another noteworthy aspect of the case is the attention to cable management. Line pass-throughs provide a cleaner, more organized interior, which helps with airflow and overall aesthetics. When it comes to cooling, the Lucid LD01 supports good liquid cooling potential for a case of its size. It offers ample space for a liquid cooling radiator, which is a huge bonus for builders aiming for a more advanced cooling setup. However, it does ship without any fans or lighting controller, which means you'll need to purchase your own cooling fans and possibly lighting, depending on your preference. This is where SilverStone hopes you'll invest in their own line of LED fans to match the aesthetic of the case. While this allows for customization, it also adds extra costs that some builders may not anticipate. The removable power supply air filter is a nice touch, ensuring that dust buildup in the PSU area is kept to a minimum. However, the front panel of the case is unfiltered, which could result in dust accumulation over time, especially in more dust-prone environments. In terms of drawbacks, the case is not without a few imperfections. Our test unit had a small defect in the steel trim, which, while not a deal-breaker, may be noticeable to those who are particular about their build's finish. Also, the glass panels, while stylish, expose the backside of the motherboard tray, which may not appeal to all users as it could detract from the overall neatness of the build. At a price of around $114.99, the Lucid Series LD01 sits on the higher end for a case that doesn't come with pre-installed fans or lighting. However, if you're looking for a case that balances aesthetics with performance and gives you the freedom to customize, the SilverStone Lucid LD01 is an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts who want to build something that stands out.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.